The internet is becoming the town square for the global village of tomorrow.
The internet and other information technologies have created many interesting and innovative ways to provide customer value since its inception in 1969. Website for marketing communication and customer support, one-to-one communication to many different receiving devices, consumer behavior insights based on offline and online data combination, and associated performance metrics are all important strategies. The social media provide perfect platforms for the connecting with today's consumer. High readership blogs, social networks such as Facebook and LinkedIn, and online communities such as YouTube and Twitter gave consumer the opportunity to heard in large numbers, and smart marketers have learned how to tap into these citizen journalists for improving the products and marketing communication.
E-marketing. E-marketing, also known as online or internet advertising, which uses the internet technology to promote online message to customer. E-marketing examples are email or social media advertising, web banners, and mobile advertising. E-marketing plan. The e-marketing plan is a blueprint for e-marketing strategy, formulation, and implementation.
It is a guiding, dynamic document that links the firm's e-business strategy with technology-driven marketing strategies and lay out details for plan implementation through marketing management.
There are two types of common plan. First is the napkin plan. Entrepreneurs may jot down ideas on a napkin. Second is the venture capital e-marketing plan. It is a more comprehensive plan for entrepreneurs seeking startup capital. Sources of funding: bank loans, private funds, angel investors, venture capitalists.
What is a plan? How leads to the formulation of a plan? We have 7 steps of marketing plan. The first one is situation analysis. Next is e-marketing strategic planning, objectives, e-marketing strategy, implementation plan, budget, and evaluation plan. For example, Facebook's SWOT. Strength. The first one is integrated features of Web 2.0, huge fan base and migrating users from other social websites and marketing platform. Weaknesses: authentication of users and hackers. Opportunities: banner advertising and create new business lines. Threats: technological changes and cybercrime.
E-marketing strategic planning. Strategic planning, determining the fit BW company's objectives, resources, and skills with changing marketing opportunities. Tasks for creating the fit can be named as tier: segmentation, targeting, differentiating, and positioning. Formulating e-marketing strategy in 2 tiers. For segmentation and targeting marketers, conduct market opportunity analysis or DMAO. MAO includes the demand analysis. It is for identifying segments. Supply analysis, it is for forecasting segments, profitability, plus find competitive advantage and then target the segment.
Differentiation and positioning strategy. How it will differentiate its products or service in a way that provide benefit to both company and customers. Example given here is the Facebook opted to add third-party applications. Objectives. Objective e-marketing are formulated which includes task, what is to be accomplished, measurable quantity, how much, time frame, it is by when. E-marketing strategy. It is based on the objectives marketers craft strategies regarding the parties. Offer. It is the product, value or the price, distribution, place, the tier 2, and the communication promotion. CRM and PRM. Budget. It is to identify the forecasted returns from investment and match with the forecasting cost. Following costs need to be forecast: the technology cost, site design cost, salary, other site development expenses, and miscellaneous.
The last step is evaluation plan. Once the plan is implemented, it is then evaluated. Evaluation techniques are ROI and web analytical tools. Example given here is Facebook page.